Is that all right? So you're on your own on this one. Let's see how close you can get. Two more balls.
Me.
Oh, she brought that from Ireland.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's awesome.
Some of the stuff that she was telling you is pretty amazing about the place and how friendly and just outgoing everybody is.
Well, that's cool. That's cool. I've never been there. I'm not sure I want to go. My understanding is when you go see the Blarney Stone, you're not supposed to be kissing it for what the drunks do on the weekends.
Yes, yes. So, that's what I've heard as well.
Don't be kissing the Blarney Stone.
They laugh about that. That's a good running joke over there.
Okay. Hey, let's do this. Let's talk about what we're going to do. It's going to be pretty simple today. It's not rocket science again. I don't do anything that's that technical. I don't like it. I like golf to be simple.
Yeah.
In a distance.
You got me a runway.
I've got you a runway, and that's really, we're going to work on driver accuracy a little bit.
Okay.
And it's not just how you hit it, but how you prepare to hit it. This is game-like.
Good.
So what I've done is put you on, say, Four Hills or ACC, or for your case, number 2 right here on our course, number 3, number 4 in our course, 40 yards wide.
Yep.
The pylon's in a distance, and the first one, as I told you earlier, that's 253.
Okay.
The next one, theoretically, is beyond that. I'll shoot it again because I really don't think the first one's 253. I think it's a spot behind that.
A spot behind that. That would make sense with the 4-iron getting there
right.
easily.
Okay. I'll shoot the blue box and get us a better reference point. What I do know, here's one for you. You want to get frisky, the tall tree in the distance?
Yeah.
That's a great target here. That's 290.
Oh,
I shot that earlier, and I know that that's accurate.
Wow.
And I also know, old guy from those tees put it over that tree last year.
Oh,
now, I don't know if I can do it anymore, so there's the new challenge. Okay, 2 more. Different situation, different choice. And you're going to go with the new 4-iron that you picked up because you felt like you had this gap.
Yep.
Where was the gap again? 5?
Maybe 201, 202 to 210. And then from 210 to 222 was the gap, essentially where my hybrid and my 5-iron are separated. Now I could tone my hybrid down to about 210, but I mean that's like a quarter swing punch, and I mean I still hit it really far, almost as far as my 3 would.
Okay. Just an FYI, the right-hand pylon is nearly level with the 225 blue.
Okay.
And that right-hand pylon is, I think, 5 yards this side of it. That 225 blue is 205 from here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that may be...
It's about 225, 230 is what you're saying?
I think the pylon is 200. Okay, and I don't know if you can shoot it. We'll shoot it afterwards. Let's hit a couple of shots, and then we'll go from there. Good or bad?
Perfect.
Okay. Big G for that one. And good or bad?
Good.
Okay.
Got a good awesome bounce.
Okay.
But it stayed in the fairway though.
Gotcha. Okay, so you played the lay of the land on that one. I shot that first 4-iron that you hit that you felt like was pretty good. I shot that at 215, by the way. I was able. It's on a brown spot that would bounce back at me with a laser.
That was awesome. That's perfect. That's where I'm looking at.
And
that's the trouble was between 210 and 220 because I mean I hit this about 225.
Okay.
230, pretty consistent.
Okay, so let's just kind of review data a little bit. We took 14 tee shots, the last 4 of which were with non-driver, and you felt pleased with each one, and you even liked the distance because we were able to shoot it with a laser. I would be concerned about the fourth one because if we're having to club down
Yeah.
and hit a specific target, you relied on a miss to get the bounce.
Yeah.
I'd say that we want to be a little more accurate to that if we're going to narrow our parameters as to what's
Three out of-
acceptable.
3 out of 15.
Yeah, we really want to get a little better at that. Of the others, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 10 that you weren't happy with. Okay, 3 of which I think were pulls left.
Yep.
Okay,
Yeah.
1 was a push right at best. But here's the kicker. Here's what I want to try to focus on today. What's your routine? What do you think about before you've identified a target? And how do you establish a routine to keep you on